Did you know that you can buy a condo in the GTA right now for under $300,000? I'm not joking. There's a specific type of property most buyers overlook. And right now, there are more of them available than any time in the last 5 years. Let me show you exactly what I found. I spent this week going through every power of sale listing in the GTA because I was helping my clients. And honestly, what I found shocked me. Not because the deals are bad, but because most buyers don't even know these properties exist. So today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 cheapest one on the market right now. But before I show you the properties, let me quickly remind you that these properties are often priced below market value. Now here's what you need to know upfront. Out of sale homes are sold as is. The bank does not fix anything. Pretty much what you see, what you get. So going in with your eyes open is so important. But here's the opportunity right now. The GTA home values are down nearly 26% from their 2022 peak, and 59% more power of sale listings hit the market in 2026 compared to last year. This is the kind of window that serious buyers wait years for. But let's start with the most surprising one. This property is located in Brampton, Maddock. Great family-friendly location, close to schools, parks, shoppings, and transits. This home is detached 2-story, listed for $658,000. It has 4 beds, 2 baths, and 1,500 square footage. Now I know what you are thinking. What's wrong with it? And that's the right question to ask. It could be simply that the previous owner bought it at the 2021 peak and couldn't keep up with the payments when rates went up. I see this house a great opportunity for first-time buyers, investors, even growing families. I see the layout is functional with this large main rooms and getting an abundance of natural light throughout. The backyard is fully fenced and there's an above ground pool. If you want to leave it or take it apart, I guess that's up to your personal preference. I see this property excellent investment potential, whether you are looking to rent, renovate, or even create your own home. Moving northeast to Newmarket, Huron Heights and Leslie Valley. Great location, quiet area. I love the area. It's fantastic location, close to downtown Newmarket. This property is semi-detached bungalow, raised, listed for $749,000. 3 plus 2 beds and 2 baths. It offers 1,500 square footage. Honestly, the as-is condition for this home is great. Looks very well maintained and move-in ready. I see this is a fantastic opportunity for people who would like to own an income-producing property because the basement is finished. It's a registered basement apartment. 2 bedrooms apartment, has its own separate entrance. Let's head south of Newmarket to Vaughan. So the third property is located in Vaughan, Patterson. Very well-proportioned, semi-detached, 2-story. Listed for just a little bit above $1 million, 3 beds, 3 baths, 2,000 square footage, located in the most desirable Thornhill Woods community. I love this area because I personally lived there for 5 years in the past. Very established community. This home was built in 2000. We have the basement is unfinished, too bad, but it's additional space for future potential. I don't see flaws in this property, so I can lash on it. It's just condition-wise, location-wise, it's just perfect. I love it. The fourth property is located in Toronto, Black Creek area, neighborhood. It's a semi-detached bungalow with 33 feet lot. It's listed for 775,000. 3 plus 2 beds and 2 baths. It's approximately 1,500 square footage. This property is wonderful because it's close to York University, Black Creek Pioneer Village, access to highways. It's a very established area. This is my favorite. I love it. It has updated white modern kitchen and well laid out main floor with the 3 bedrooms. Renovated basement with a separate entrance. Perfect for nanny suites, rental income, or family. The last property is detached bungalow located in Toronto, Victoria Park and Danforth. It's Oak Ridge community. This property is 2 bed, 1 bath, 1,100 square footage, and it's listed for 820,000. And it's been in the market for a long time. This home was condition-wise is just okay, not too bad, not too good. Now, if any of these properties caught your attention or you would like to see more of this type of listings, just reach out to me directly, whether through a call, text, or email, whatever comfortable for you. My contact info in the description below, and I will send you a list of all the power of sale listings in the GTA area. So, are power of sale properties always a good deal? Not automatically. The price is lower for a reason. You need to do your own due diligence, whether check the status certificates or get a home inspection or calculate the renovation budget. You need to understand exactly what the bank is selling you. But right now, with the inventory at its highest point in years and prices are still correcting from 2022 peak, the window to find a good, genuinely good deal is open. And windows like that does not stay open forever. So if this video was helpful, please share it with someone who has been sitting on the sideline waiting for a great opportunity to buy. This might be helpful for them. And I'll see you in the next video. And thank you so much for watching.